Hello friends, let us discuss the manufacturing of concrete. Hello friends, now we will discuss the manufacturing process of concrete. Now if we see the historic development of concrete technology, in the early days the concrete was mixed with hands manually, and that is called hand mixing, in which suppose there is a platform or there may be some steel plate on which we can pour the aggregates, cement and sand, and then a person can actually mix it with hands. In the first place it is dry mixing. After guaranteeing that cement, aggregates, sand, all they are homogeneously mixed, we can pour the quantity of water. And then again, once, twice, upside down, all this mixing, that concrete mass was prepared in the early days. So hand mixing, or we can add manual mixing. But this was time consuming. Again, the laborers who are not habituated in mixing the concrete with the hands, if they work in that, the quality again was an issue. And therefore, expertise or the people who had a habit continuously mixing with the hands, they were giving better results as far as the quality of concrete was concerned. But a newcomer, again there is a subjective change in the quality, and hence we should not be expecting uniformity of quality in that case. Slowly this was then replaced by machine mixing. So in machine mixing, in the beginning there were small mixers. There are again types of mixers, tilting, non-tilting, and the drum is rotating, the electricity generated or electricity operated, or this diesel operated. We have so many varieties of mixers. Machine mixing is relatively a better quality giving technique of making concrete. Nowadays what is more practiced is ready mixed concrete, in which again there are mixers, but they are rotary mixers, and the quantities of concrete ingredients like the cement, then the aggregates, water, they are all computerized. Automatically they are given, fed to the mixing. Therefore, the quantities as per the mixing or the design mix, they have to be taken. In the case of hand mixing, they were taken manually. In the case of machine mixing also, they were poured into the hopper of the mixer manually. There are again two methods. One is weigh batching and another is volume batching. Taking out the quantities of cement, aggregates, fine and coarse with the basis of weight, that is called weigh batching. On the basis of volume, suppose we are mixing them, that is called volume batching. Definitely this is superior. This is okay, but in case of bulking of sand, this volume batching will be erroneous, and therefore we have to go for weigh batching. In the ready mix plants now, where the concrete is made up with the help of computerized controlled all the activities, that is best way, and after that is given to the transit mixer, which is always revolving. It also keeps on mixing till the site is reached. So manufacturing of concrete is always subject to different parameters. The concrete, resultant concrete of the quality, the desired one, can be only had if a proper control is exercised on all these things. So it is the duty of that quality control engineer on the site to assure the wave etching of concrete, dry mixing, maintaining of water cement ratio, making the number of turns to the revolutions to the mixer, so that a proper homogeneous mix is result. So homogeneous mix is also very important, which will be having properties same at any portion of that volume. Again, after some time, suppose today's work is over and the casting of slab is still going on. Tomorrow again people come, laborers come, and they again prepare a different mix. Now the guarantee of the mix quality which was prepared yesterday and which is going to be prepared today, both these qualities should be 100% matched. Now this is very difficult to attain, but by practice, by control of supervision, we can assure that yes, this can take place. And therefore concrete technology is a very complicated subject. Execute that on the site, the control or the engineer in charge really doesn't know actually what went wrong and what went right if I am getting a bad result and a very good result. In both the cases, he may not be in a position to pinpoint this, that I have done this right, but this went wrong. I have done this wrong, but this has gone right. And therefore, this is always a thing to get an experience of. And then only we can say that by experience, the concrete engineer gains a lot of learning. Even if we study in the theoretical part that quality of aggregates, quality of cement, specifications of cement, strict control of water cement ratio, mixing time, number of revolutions, so many things if we see and adhere to it, still we can have variations in the quality of concrete. And therefore to have a consistency in quality or a consistent quality of cement. And how to check the consistent quality of cement? By frequent testing of the concrete cubes. If that M10 or M15 or M20, M25 grade of concrete is desired, by frequent testing of the cubes of concrete cast at the site and tested for 3rd, 7th, 15th, 14th or 21st, 28 days, we can have the results, and then we can say that the quality of concrete is consistent if number of cubes tested are giving you the number of results in the same range, at least not exactly the same, but variation is very marginal. In that case we can say the quality is consistent. So this is all about manufacturing of concrete. Thank you.